Look, bro, I'm not here to crash on y'all parade. I'm not here to whatever the fuck they be saying. I'm not here to do none of that. But one thing I'm gonna say though, I'm here to call the bullshit out. So right there, he not funny. He not funny, not in the slightest. He don't be telling jokes. He be faking it. No punchline, no nothing. All he do is fake a laugh and put a clip of somebody else laughing at the end of his videos trying to make it sound funny. If you think I'm lying, I'm about to play this video. And the real Haitians is gonna tell you they didn't hear the joke. They did not hear the fucking joke.
De pou vin a iti ap kidnap ou ki bo, dem la. Bo ba pram. Ge pou son siel sa pi bel ke se l'enfoncement.
Did you hear the joke? Because I did not hear shit. You feel me? Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all might hate me for this. Y'all niggas gonna blackball me because I'm trying to make it. But I know y'all niggas already in the industry. Y'all gonna blackball the fuck out of me if I ever get up there. But suck my dick though, nigga. You not funny. And I'm gonna keep saying the same shit. All your videos is the same. You fake laugh. You like, bro, it's not even funny. What the fuck? You like, you can't even hold yourself like you laughing so hard. That shit was lame as shit. Y'all niggas is not funny and I'm on y'all ass. I need to stop putting clips of niggas laughing on top of y'all videos trying to make it sound funny. Y'all niggas not comedians. Nou gen Jesse Fouad, Desi Rap, Tonton Bichat, nou gen Dodo Degoutant, nou gen Machas. These niggas be like, you get black too bon. It's good people that don't call you. But niggas like you, bro, y'all not funny.